We walk on a very lonely road. We see a lot, we hear a lot, and we feel a lot. Motherhood, it's the way it is. Single parenting, that is where we find ourselves. ASM, we empower African single mothers because we are proud, we are strong and courageous, and whatever life throws to us, we make the best of it. Don't let anyone bring you down. Don't let your emotions fail you. Don't let your morals be brought down by words, by actions, by thoughts and by deeds. We understand the pain, we understand the suffering, we see the frustration, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. There is so much joy in being a mother. There is so much joy when God blesses you with the fruit of the womb, where you can see, where you can hold, where you can touch, and where you could feel. There are lots of people who will beg, who will cry, who will pray on a daily basis just to have one and still be that single mother. But God has blessed you with all. Ayazim will say to you today, dear mothers, dear children, dear girls, dear women, you are strong, you're bigger than your fears. You can face whatever life throws to you, no matter the odds, no matter the challenges. You are strong. Above all, you can face all odds. Life may not give you the best of chances, but you can make the most of what you have. Stand up, rise above your fears. Be a boss, be a role model to your kids. Shower them with so much love. The kind of love they won't have to crave for from another. The kind of love where you're going to be looked up to as a role model, someone they could beat their chest to and say, this is my mom, this is who I trust. No one will help you face your challenges. No one will help you emotionally. But there's one thing we are sure of. Ayazim is there to support, to educate, to hold your hand and to pull you through. Just open up. Be ready. Be willing to take on and see what life has to bring to you. We encourage you to be you today, tomorrow, and forever. And we promise you, Ayazim will be Ayazim today, tomorrow, and forever, 'cause we are single mothers and we are proud.
Hello, people. Yeah, it's your guy, the better. How are you all doing today? Hope you're living your best life and happy living your best life. I wish for everyone for them to live their best life and be happy living their best life. Today, we are going to be talking about investing in the global forex markets, Bitcoin, blockchain, and forex. These are words or these are investment institution or platforms that most people are still trying or um they like when they hear about these words forex or bitcoin, they're still trying to get hold of it, like to understand what actually this means, or should I say platform, or should I say market, should I say technology, should I say yeah, whatever it is. But when they hear the word Bitcoin, Forex, the global Forex market investment, people are so skeptical. So I decided to want to talk about this today, want to share more light about this investing in the global Forex market so that maybe someday if someone approach you that talking to you about forex, talking to you about Bitcoin or blockchain technology, you are going to yeah like get a knowledge, or you'll be informed on what it is, how to go about it. And I mean, guys, I usually say when you have the knowledge, when you have the information, is always good. It's always good for you in the future, whenever you want to invest. And usually it's not all about you kind of like paying money at the same time. Like for example, people will say whenever I try to educate people about these things, they will say I don't have money. Well, for me, it's not all about your money. It's all about I want to educate you about these platforms or this new technology that is taking over the world. We have seen. I know most of you have must have heard Bitcoins now like almost 40,000 euros per Bitcoin. I mean, this is crazy. And many people are looking at it as a scam. Why some are looking at it as a revolution or a way like a huge change. Today, I just want to share this information with you guys so that tomorrow, as the day goes by, you can decide to become part of this whole disruptive technology, or you sit at your corner and blame yourself for not being up to date. I'm going to begin with Forex. Today I was supposed to have a conversation with one of my networks, but like she's not here at the moment. But let me just go for right away. And at one point, I'm gonna have young Samuel come here to share some some information about one platform, one Forex platform, which is Cash Effect. So from there we can get more knowledge about it. So let me just drive away to Forex, for like first Forex and Bitcoin. When you hear the word Forex, I know most of you are like, wow, like talk to people about Forex, and I was shocked with the kind of response I get from them, like just asking them, like, what do you think Forex is all about? I mean, have you ever heard of the word Forex? And I get a response that I'm like, oh wow. I mean, I never thought of this. You know, Many people think Forex is like kind of like someone who is somewhere or a company who is somewhere scamming people of their money or like something like that, or something like yeah, something of the sort. But now let me just tell you guys what Forex is all about, and I know most of you, especially those who live in the diaspora, you must have take part in the Forex market, the foreign exchange market. Forex it means foreign exchange of fiat currency, and fiat currency are currencies owned by governments, or countries. Every country has their own fiat currency. Cameroon, Finland, Nigeria, Ghana, whatever country you find yourself in, you have your own fiat currency that you use to trade with in the global market. Now, how do you trade the forex market, your currency in the global market? Most of you must have traveled to the airport, and at one point you want to exchange your currency to another currency. You need to exchange the currency, and someone must be somewhere, waiting for you to come with your currency to exchange with the other currency that they have. And the way they make money, the way they do this is they buy when the currency is low and sell when the currency is high. You know, I have Rita here. Rita, you are welcome. Uh, Rita just join us. I think I can already get her. Rita, are you there with there now? Okay, welcome, Rita.
Thank you. Good evening, Doctor.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, today we are just going to be talking about investing in the global forex market and Bitcoin, the blockchain technology. Before you join, I've introduced the topic, and I've been trying to throw light on what Forex is all about and the different challenges that we face, especially in the community when we try to communicate this with people. And we realize that most of them have little or no information about it at all. Something that is kind of like a scam, or it's kind of like a government or a company in China or somewhere who is trying to destroy Africa or something like that. So I've been trying to, talk about this and trying to like throw some light on what Forex is all about in terms of exchange, fiat currency, and other stuff before you join. So I just wanted to update you on where I am now. So you're welcome. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow, it's always good to see you.
And how have you been?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm doing great. We thank God for everything, guidance, protection, everything. We just give praises. But now let's go into Forex. I just want to ask you some, like, let's have some conversation. You know, did you actually like before you become acquainted with Forex, did you have like knowledge about what Forex is was all about, or do you think it was kind of like a scam? I mean, can you tell us your honest like thought or experience about Forex? Let's say um 2 years back or 1 year ago, last year, or whatever it is.
To be honest, just like many others, whenever I heard the word forest, all I think of is scam. I don't even have an idea if it's a group of people, if it's an individual, but all I knew was it's just a scam. It doesn't work. It's just here to take people's money and and just go away. That it renders you cashless. All he wants to do is just to take from you, and they don't give back what what they promise. So that's just the whole idea I had about forex. Um, but when I came to realize what forex is really all about, that forex in um, it's not just like the word we hear. It's actually a foreign exchange. The global is one of the, in fact, is the largest global financial market where currencies are being traded. So everyone can trade on the market, be it the companies, the banks, individuals, you can trade on the market. And even if you don't want to invest in forex, or you don't do the trading by yourself, or you don't get some returns by trading on forex or in forex, you do that in one way or the other. We all send money, we all receive money, and there is always a middle person that enjoys the exchange rate you pay when you are sending money, when you are receiving money, when you are changing one currency to the next. So the only
Okay.
difference between you and someone who is actually benefiting from the forex is that you just help them to have that commission while you're earning nothing. So it's really a great thing when I came to know about forex, and it's not like I know much. I am still learning, and while I am learning, I am able to make some money from it, and I get to regret every day why I didn't uh, get to get involved earlier than now.
Wow, wow. I mean, that is touching. It's like you have been wasting money in the past. Paying the transfer fees, all the stuff you have been doing. Even when you came to before you came to by the way, you live in Sweden anyway. So before you came to Sweden, you exchange your money in the airport or at the airport. And this you can take in the market without even knowing. Um, this takes me to like back to someone like I encounter with. I tried to talk to him about the foreign exchange market, and he told me um, he thinks the market is all about zipping Africa. It's kind of like it was designed to take money from Africa. This kept me thinking, like, if say this person can mention this like they can describe the foreign exchange market as this, then what about people who have little or no knowledge about like digital currency like Bitcoin and other aspect of doing exchange or transactions, what kind of information they might have. So I decided to want to focus more on educating people on the general concept of foreign exchange, what it is, how they can get involved, what they have been doing in the past without really knowing. Hearing you like mention this gives me this like, okay, wow, it means there's something that are still out there, and the need to know, to learn, and not only learn but to take and benefit from the market through the trade profit that um like those who partake or retail traders market gets every now and then. So if say you you want to say something based on your experience already, talking to people, what do you say to people like right now based on the information you have about the market? like in general, in terms of the investment, putting on your own, just knowing that for knowing sake, and also maybe become at one point educator of someone who is I say someone who is trying to revolutionize the whole community about or educate the whole community about foreign exchange.
I don't know if I was getting well or is a noise around you, but if you can just take that again.
Let me see. Is there a noise around going around me?
Now I think it's okay.
Okay. I'm in the coffee, so please, so that's why maybe I think I'm getting myself. Let me check. I talk and I get myself like I hear myself. I don't know.
Echo. Mhm.
Echo. Um, let me see. Maybe. mm, Yeah, is it good now?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Sorry, I don't know if it's my phone or what. Like, I'm trying to get echo somewhere. So what I'm trying to say is, based on what you know right now in terms of the forex, and the people you have come in contact with, what can you say to like anyone watching now, in terms of benefiting from the market, either through like them investing or just getting the knowledge and be part of it.
Well, what I can say is that, like every other investment, you don't just jump into it. When someone introduces it to you, you just need to listen. There's no harm in listening. There's no harm in acquiring knowledge about something. You don't just know when it can help you. So what I can say is that it's always good to listen, or you should try to learn more about the market when someone introduces it to you. Know what it's all about, and then since it is not you're not a professional, because it takes a lot to trade in the forex market. So you can ask or find out about. There are a lot of platforms there that can help you to make money for you while you're trying to know about forex, and maybe in the future you would like to do it yourself. So what I advise is, when someone introduces it to you, try to look for a means or a platform where you can actually invest your money, and as you are making money, you are learning about the forex itself.
Now, like you mentioned a platform. I'm gonna bring it Yana somewhere here to talk about Cash FX, one platform. I know you are part of it also. To talk about Cash FX, about how it is, how they trade in the foreign exchange market. But before we bring somewhere here, I want to kind of like um, get this information from you. Like I'm asking this from you because I think you have the perfect answer for us now. What do you think is preventing people from actually giving a listening ears, you know, when someone talks to them about an opportunity or something that will benefit them at one point in time?
Well, I think maybe they are like they are giving their money to you, the person introducing it to them. The truth is that there are three type of persons when it comes to maybe online business, or I think any other business. There are the consumers, the those who invest, like the entrepreneurs, those who are partners, or those who are builders. So I think when you introduce it to somebody will be like, you are a scam, or maybe you're part of them. You're just coming to collect their money, and you go. So they always see it like, I don't. There's a lot of fear out there, being it because maybe in the past they have been scammed. Like I say, I'm not saying that it's not risky. In every business, there's a risk. Even the business, even your shop, you can open your shop. Someone comes to introduce a line of product to you, and you think it's wow. I'm going to buy this product, and when you buy, maybe people don't come to buy, or maybe you go and you don't buy the original product, and you get not to sell it. So, or there are people who do who trade in maybe like perishable goods. There are times that when you buy, if you don't sell at a particular time, the goods are going to get bad and you will still make some losses. So every business has a risk. So I think when you come to them, they just feel like, oh, you're just coming to take my money away. And there are some people who maybe they will not even, they are having that opportunity to invest, but they will not invest simply because you are the person. Some people is just because it is you talking to them. It's not even about the business. Why are you the one talking? And then some people are like waiting, or I'm waiting for you to make it, or I'm waiting to see you succeed before I do it. Time waits for no one. I said it a lot of times, and where I find myself now, I would have been somewhere that somebody who introduced it to me is there right now if I had taken action. So
Yeah.
that's just how I think people see it.
Okay, okay. I mean, now let's bring the CFX boss. Yana somewhere. I mean, Yana somewhere is someone whom I look up to, someone who has been in the digital space for a long time now. Is working with different digital platforms on how to help people to grow their business online. You know, we have been doing this for a long time, but now we have realized that everything is going to be digital at one point in time, and people are making a lot of revenue from the digital platforms. And Lena is here, you know, not just as someone who joined Forex or doing Bitcoin, but he's here as someone who has gained experience, you know, trading in the Forex market, current exchange market, you know, buying and selling Bitcoins, working with different digital platforms. I mean, the portfolio is, I mean, welcome, Yanla.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you, Rita, for seeing you here. Thank you, the Beton, that I'm here right now. Actually, when I got the invitation to come to this show, my calendar was packed full. I was like, okay, I have to be here at this time. I started running and then putting in
There's noise coming from the background, I think.
No,
Yeah.
from my background.
Yes.
I actually hear like there is something in the audio.
The echo.
Yeah. Since when the show started, when I joined, maybe I can hop on and out and come again. Let's see what happens.
Because it's from you when you came in, then you came in with it.
The energy is the energy. And I want
Okay,
to
okay, maybe okay. Maybe I should come again. Let me go off and come again. Let's see.
Yeah, come again. Yeah.
The truth
Yeah.
is, when you tell people about maybe an opportunity, which I am actually open to so many opportunities, I must not be the one to introduce something to you. So there are people out there, if you have an opportunity, I am open to it. You know, you tell me about it, I listen, I study it. If I like it and I see the future of that opportunity, I go for it. So there's no harm in always listening to an opportunity. Hi, welcome.
Is it okay now?
I guess so.
It's a little bit better now.
Now it's even worse than before. I can barely hear anybody.
Yeah,
I think you have a problem with your
it's
sound.
it's not from me. It's from him.
Shit, I don't know what's happening.
I think my sound is okay. Can you hear me now? Right?
No,
Yes.
I cannot hear you. It's like I can hear a lot of like technical occurrences in the background.
Yeah, it's from your background. It's when you came in. I don't know why.
But right now I can get both of you very well. So you guys sort it out.
You can hear me very well.
Very well.
But
no, I can hear you also.
Now it's okay. I can hear you now. The better. Oh, yes. I didn't do anything. I don't know what happened.
I'm still getting the noise. I don't know. It's like something.
I can get it from you too.
Something is interrupting something somewhere.
I can get it from you too, the better.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. So let's go back and allow Rita to continue the show while we fix our mic.
Let me change my setting a bit, and then I come back.
You can continue.
We're just talking about opportunities. Just of recent, I had the opportunity to talking about Forex, I think you cannot do Forex without thinking of Bitcoin. So while Samuel will come back, or the Beton will come back to talk about a Forex or a particular platform where we are all involved in, I want to just use this opportunity to tell you my experience when I had to join or to start investing in Bitcoin, which I think so far it's really profitable. Just like Forex, foreign exchange, whenever Bitcoin was mentioned to me, I always think that it's a big scam. Not until when I got to start knowing the importance of Bitcoin, which is actually gaining grounds right now. So Bitcoin is just uh, um, international. That is an online currency where it's not owned by any bank. It's actually owned by the people, as I can say. So you can buy and sell online currency. So there are many apps, many
I'm better
opportunities.
now.
You're welcome.
I think I'm at least better now.
Yes, you are.
Okay. Yeah.
So
So
while
sorry, I
you're,
cut
while you're trying to know about Forex, it's good to try to know about Bitcoin, because I think with the online currencies or the exchange, they work hand in hand. So recently, actually, I got to register with a very nice cryptocurrency app, which is crypto.com, which I will recommend uh, a lot of you to actually try it, and because it has a lot of features for you to make money. They also have a Visa card where you can imagine you shopping with your Visa card, and you can have a percentage back. So you can imagine. So why should you use your bank card to shop when you can actually use your crypto or your Visa card? A Visa card, you can always remove money from your bank account, your fiat currency directly into your crypto wallet, and then you convert it to cryptocurrency. You can pay your bills, you can do your shopping, and you can have a return for every, like a commission for every activity, shopping activities that you do with your card. Isn't that great? In that same app, you can always invest in different currencies, and then you still have commission, you know. So I highly recommend it. In the comment section, I'm going to put my link, so maybe you can just register and try it, because if you register using my link as the moment we are doing this video, I don't know if it will change. Maybe in the future you will have a 25% $25
commission.
uh, yeah,
If
$25
yeah,
commission. You have a $25 commission, and I will also have a 25. So you just need to try it. I'm going to just drop the link in the comment section. There is no harm in
yeah,
trying. You can also learn, you can check on videos, you can read about crypto.com, and you will also get to learn about other currencies and other apps. So
okay.
while you're learning or trying to know about Forex, it's good to also have a knowledge about cryptocurrency.
Okay, yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, guys, while we wait for Mr. Yana to come, let me just use this opportunity or this short um, time to overview, like to add to what Rita mentioned about Bitcoin, and like, let me talk a little bit about Bitcoin, blockchain, and other stuff. So, Bitcoin is just a decentralized digital currency that everyone have can have access to. Bitcoin has no borders, it has no government, it has nothing. In fact, as what Rita mentioned, the people are the ones who can decide if like either own the Bitcoin or don't, or decide not to own Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was introduced by someone who is anonymous. No one knows him. No, we don't know if he is a person or is an organization. That this Satoshi Nakamoto, and this came about after the 2009 crisis. The global crisis that after hit the whole world in 2009. They come up with this currency because the banks were inflating everything. The banks, make the whole economy to be down. So they come up with a new solution where people can do peer-to-peer transaction, like peer-to-peer transaction, without having the bank as a middleman, without having anyone coming there to to be as a middleman. Usually now, not usually, like always, banks have been the ones, being the middleman when you do transactions. We have also online services like PayPal, eBay, Amazon. They have been, Visa. They have been middlemen to do transactions online. And right now with Bitcoin, it is easy for you to do transactions without going through this middleman. And it's difficult for people to hack, Bitcoin. No one can hack Bitcoin. Is like is safe and reliable. And the reason why Bitcoin is so popular is because it's going on the blockchain, and the blockchain technology is technology that um, distributes record. I mean, it keeps records safe, so no one can alter the record. If say you someone does a transaction on using the blockchain system, it's difficult to alter that transaction or to kind of like take it away from the system because it's been distributed to different systems. And this is reliable in times like this. There's a lot of opportunity with this technology, and Bitcoin is one of the opportunities that we are now enjoying. As Rita mentioned, he has gotten to crypto.com, and she will share her link here for you guys also to check out how it is. You can get a crypto.com card and learn more about Bitcoin and so on. So, I mean, people just have to, we just have to look at these things the way it is, not the way we want it to be. These opportunities are there for us to grab, for us to learn on our own. We just have to grab it when someone shared it with us. So I think in the future we're gonna have more in-depth education about like Bitcoin in general, the blockchain. Now it's just more of introduction, like how the technology works. You say I have to send money to Vita. I don't have to go to the bank to send money. I don't need any middleman. I just need to have download my wallet, convert the money into the Bitcoin and send it to her. She can withdraw that money from using her crypto.com card, from any ATM without going through the hustle without the bank asking her, how come you have this money? Who give you this money? Well, I mean, there's so much
very, very cheap. It becomes very, very cheap when you have the same wallet with someone. There are a lot of wallets out there. Actually, you can actually have a lot of them because it's not also advisable to have your money in one wallet. So it's very cheap, safe, easy, and fast.
Yeah. Now we have the CSS box.
Yeah, thank you. I don't know if you can hear me now. Now you can see I have very low light quality. I've changed like 3.
It's like the light was affecting it.
Now you're
I've had like 3 different devices just to come back. That's why it took me time. And now I have low light, so I'm just gonna do this one.
So you're welcome. I mean, like you just we've been talking about Forex, Bitcoin, the blockchain technology, and I know you have a lot of experience in these areas. You have been leading the Forex market for a long time now. You have been also buying and selling Bitcoins, and you understand the blockchain technology, how it works. And now I just wanted you to share with us this platform where people can trade the foreign exchange market, and make daily profit without even doing anything, like their money make money for them. So can you please share with us this platform?
Yeah, thank you very much. Fellow viewers out there, everybody on this platform that's watching us right now. Like the Betong said, my name is Samuel Yola, and a few times I've been on this show. I'm very happy and grateful that I come here all the time. So, well, like you said, I have been in the Bitcoin industry for a while now, since 2009, that I knew about Bitcoin, and I've been trying to follow it from that time throughout history. And as for the Forex industry, I've always loved to think that this with the internet right from Cameroon. Presently, I'm based in Finland, in Helsinki, but since while I was in Cameroon, so I'm like 10 years behind, I've actually loved everything to do with the internet and with computers. So it brings me now to the CFX that we just introduced. Well, CashFX is this kind of company. It's a platform that allows you, anyone out there, to be able to invest your money in the form of packages. That is they have this proprietary software that helps you to trade with your whatever capital that you come in, but they have minimum capital ranging from $300 right up to 100,000 US dollars. So the thing is that you don't have to be an expert to be a member of Cash Effect.
I think that noise is, I don't know where it's coming from.
Yeah,
No,
we
but
have echo.
it's better now, so it's
Yeah,
better than.
only bit I don't have the noise. I have the echo. You have the echo.
You guys have something in common.
We have energy. I was using my phone before, so I thought it was the phone that was giving the heat, but I changed to the computer, I changed to the laptop. So
No, but I think this one right now is better than the phone. So
okay.
go on, right on.
Yeah, so as I was saying, CashFX is that platform that is going to teach you how to trade the Forex market. And at the same time, while you are learning how to trade the Forex market, they have this expert in the company. They have this in-house advisor, expert advisors, and the expert traders that are going to trade for you while you are learning. So the thing is that even if you don't have any experience, even if you have zero experience in the Forex market at all, you don't have nothing, zilch, you come into Cash Effect. There were two kinds of trade packages that you have in the Cash FX. You have the trading and the academy packages, but almost everybody, if not all, everybody goes in for the trading and academy packages. And the trading and academy package, what does it mean? For example, if you come in if we have trade packages amount from $300 to $100,000. So if you have a $300 amount of trade package, which is the minimum, then in that trade package, 70% will be traded for you. Meanwhile, you are learning how to trade the Forex market. So it means that 30% is going to go in the education. So typically, you are buying the education, learning how to trade, which is one of the best out there like right now, because in the back office, it has like the integration is just so cool that anybody with zero knowledge can actually understand exactly what's happening. So right now, I think that there are so many platforms out there. Yeah, but Cash Effect.
Exactly what I wanted to ask. That there are many platforms out there that, in fact, they do like the same thing. So what makes Cash Effects different from those platforms?
Well, Cash Effects is actually very unique because they have their own technology. Like I said in the beginning, before, they have a proprietary software. They do not license it to any company or to any company. It's only them. They build this software and they're using it only for the members. Most other companies out there, they're doing similar things, yes, but they do not own this software. They do not own it. They cannot tell you the reliability of this software. But CashFX has shown us 100% of transparency, 100% of trust in this platform, and we have seen it. All of us here, like now, we have seen the work, we have seen the good results that are coming out on this platform. CashFX has been going on now for about 18 months because it began in July 2019, and from there now we've had no difference. Not like it's not like they have not had any profit, but for every day we have no negative in profit. So from day one up to now, we've always end the day in profit, no matter what the situation is.
So there are also a lot of companies out there that always have problems with when it comes to withdrawal. You know, when you put your money and you actually see your money, but you have issues to withdraw your money. So I don't know how far is it with Cash FX or with the
Well, with the cash Forex group, right now they have a client that they are using. So actually you are right, because so many companies are licensing these money transactions, definitely withdrawal from other financial solutions. But right now, CashFX is one of the best. They have one of the best solutions, and we are waiting anytime now because they are having their own personal solution. So it's like proprietary again, just like they have their own software. that they use in the trading and the algorithm. So again, now they are having a proprietary solution that is going to allow the member to deposit your money as fast as possible. So, but right now, we're dealing with the blockchain here. So we're talking about Forex, we're talking about the blockchain. They are almost moving off in the same direction. But then cash effects, when you come in with cash effects, when you buy a package, whatever you get out from there, you get it in Bitcoin. So it's always going to go through the blockchain. So, but then with the cash effects, we've not had any problem, even though people have always, there's always going to be those people that are impatient, that want it today, now, and but there is nobody in cash effects that can actually say or that has complained that they never had their withdrawal, that their withdrawal has never gone through. Yeah, even if it takes 1 day, it takes 3 days, it takes 1 week, but it always goes through and everybody is always satisfied.
Well, you just said something very important. Like people just think if you invest today, like you invest, for example, $5,000, the next day you'll be expecting $5,000. There is no get rich quick platform out there. Everything you have to take it step by step. So there is no business that someone will advertise to you and you will just sit there and you think tomorrow I'm just going to, like, I'll put in 10,000 now and tomorrow I'm going to have it. It is a step-by-step process, but it doesn't mean that it doesn't pay. You have to build, in fact, you have to invest and you have to wait for it to manifest. You have to wait for it to grow, and so that you can enjoy that profit in the future. So, Mr. Samuel, what does it take for someone to be a member
of Cash Effects?
Yes.
Yes. So to be a member of Cash Effects, what you only need to do is contact anybody, because you can't just go to the website and then just cashforexgroup.com and you just register and become a member. No, it's not that simple, because here we are building a network, we are building a chain of command. So you must have to come to other person. So you must, for example, like right now, those who are watching this program, if they're interested to become a member of Cash Effects, you can contact the Beton, the host of the program, and to get more information on how to go with it. But then a basic checklist of what you need. Basically, you need a Bitcoin account or a Bitcoin wallet. You need to buy your packet in Bitcoin. If people can check the price of Bitcoin now in the market, it's like 36,000 in the last 2 minutes.
Bitcoin keeps rising.
Yeah, and I'll just digress. I'll say something here about the Bitcoin. I know people when it was $5,000, I said, "Hey, can you buy Bitcoin for $5,000?" He's like, "No, I'm not buying that." It was $6,000. I said, "No, I'm not doing that." It was $10,000. They're like, "No, wait, I don't want this scam." 15,000, and they still told me, "Man, get away with the scam." It was 25,000, and they said, "Get away with the scam." When it became 30,000, they said, "How do I buy Bitcoin?"
Just like they want to see you make it before they can, accept.
That is the thing. Now they want to buy Bitcoin when it's 30,000. Yes. When it was 5,000.
No, Bitcoin is a scam. At 5,000 is a scam. Even right now, you'll see the 40,000. It's a scam.
It's going to be 40,000. That's how it's going to be. It's going to be 50,000 by the mid of the year. So Bitcoin is going to, like,
why many are thinking that it's a scam when they are take it and then you buy and sell Bitcoin? We are doing it. In fact, we are enjoying the scam.
Yeah. When Bitcoin started, Bitcoin went to 6K.
Yes.
I mean, last year it went to 6K. Right?
Then it was 3,900.
Yeah, it went to 6K, but now it's almost 40K. Just imagine that we bought it last year and it was 6K. Then today, 40K. But this is just something else, right? And this is the kind of environment. Some people think it's like somewhere. Some people think that for you to make money, you have to work your ass, like watch your butt. You have to go to work every day, 8 hours. I mean, anything that has nothing to do with you sitting in the office or in an office, it means you're wasting your time. So
The
what can you say?
we cannot see your face.
But you can see my face.
You know, I can see you from this time. Now I can see you.
What you say us, you know?
You have to talk to us, man.
Yes.
Let me come back then.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm trying to get different views. You know, I'm doing a production here, so bear with me.
Um,
Like truly, you don't want to face us because
yeah, you can see what I was talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, but you know, many people think that for you to actually succeed in any way you are, you must get a job. Like I mean, like of course, like a physical job. You know, when we talk about forex or Bitcoin, this is investment. I mean, let's understand this first. This is an investment that you put in your money and you expect return. That you don't have to do so much work. You know, in terms of like it's kind of like a financial service that is provided to you that you don't have to go somewhere or be in an office or something like that, like kind of like a job. So you can use these financial services to pay yourself profit, which is will be equivalent to a salary. What job with job we talk about salary, right? Like a job, salary, and so on. But when you talk about investment, you talk about return. Like you get a return from an investment, right? So do you think someone can actually make a living just trading the forex market?
Oh, Jesus Christ, man. That's actually a question where I don't know how to even say I can answer. If you go to, I'll use a simple example. If you go to YouTube, you see people living luxurious lives out of forex. See, this market is a 6 trillion US dollar market. It trades 24 hours a day. So no matter how people tap the resources, no matter how people tap from the forex market, it's always going to be a 6 trillion, and it's going. You can imagine a market that is trading $6 trillion a day. You just need to get the knowledge. Stop saying this is a scam and that is a scam, and you're hoping to get rich quick. It doesn't. There is no getting rich quick scheme nowadays. You have to put in the effort. You have to understand. For example, Rita asked me, like, what does it take to get into the cash effect system? Like I said, when people come into the forex or come here and now they're talking about cash effects, anybody who is interested and they want to know more, they contact the tongue, contact Rita, or you also even come to myself and we'll tell them more. But you cannot just go, of course, you go to the website, you see everything, and I'm sure there's a link that you can also go there. But you cannot just wait. Maybe the return shortly, but you cannot just go to the link and just create. So we are dealing here in the network kind of marketing. So you have to get a referral link or you contact the person. Anybody, it must not be us. Even if you hear cash effect from somewhere, from anywhere.
Sorry, the question. Do you have an earpiece with you?
What?
Do you have an earpiece with you? Your earpiece, like your butt. Try it. Let's see.
Okay. Yeah, you guys go ahead. Let me check mine.
Yeah, the Beton, you're saying something about someone must not succeed only by working. You can actually succeed just online. That's true. But I always also advise people, it is from your active income that you can really actually have what to invest in your passive income. When you don't have that money to invest, if you don't work for that money to invest, you will not have it to invest. So you must start from somewhere to get to somewhere. So all of them are really important. But the truth is that there is a lot of money online. There are a lot of opportunities. with a passive income, it's not just like online. An example of a passive income is like a landlord. A passive income is an income that you just sit without any stress or maybe physical stress, but you are earning money. So someone who has built a house actually did that through an active income, and now they just sit and they wait for money when tenants pay their rent. So there they
The
are
truth
having
is,
their passive
the truth is,
income.
the truth is, Rita, you can actually make it online without you having an active income, like having a job or like no income at all. Yes, you can make it online. You can actually become like makes lots of like revenue for yourself, both passive, whatever what you want to be do just with your mobile phone. There are a lot of opportunities that we just use sitting going on this free platforms, YouTube, Facebook. You do like marketing for advertise product, sell product. Facebook are giving us opportunity for people who don't need any capital again, like this capital before you actually engage in any online activity. So I just wanted to
You need
add that, like, you just
I
just need the
understand
knowledge.
what you're saying,
What you need is
but
the knowledge.
you need a capital to buy a phone. You need money to buy a phone. You need money to
There are
buy
people
maybe a good camera.
there are people there who have
And
phones. They have good phones
then,
there, but they don't use it well. They use it just to snap pictures, put it on social media, gossip on Instagram and so on, and Facebook. But this phone, I mean, someone do you understand what I'm saying? Like with your phone can do something like really great. But people have
Yeah.
iPhones. I mean, like iPhones, the latest. What do they do with it? Selfies, this that. But they can
sure.
create good quality videos, or create good content so that they can like do marketing online, something that they can like talk about something. Just go somewhere and snap pictures of zoos or just walk in the forest and
YouTube
do
is
things.
actually another very
You
good
know,
example of passive income.
yeah. I just wanted to add that, like, of course, so that people know that they can still do it without having any other source of income. Okay, Samuel, sorry, you were saying something before. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to edit my.
Now you are perfect.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Anyway, so as I was saying, sorry guys about this audio connection and this. Just that we're trying to pass a very good message. That's how it always is when we try to give something as important and valuable to the people, and then. But maybe next time we'll try to perfect it like 100%. For you to join the.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. If you're interested and you want to join or know more about cash effects, you must not come to join. You have to come to know more about what's happening here. And what you need to do, contact us, any one of us here, or anybody here talking about the cash effects platform. Ask questions, man. Just find out what you need to know, because we'll always tell you what you need to know. Maybe you think that we will tell you what you want to hear. We always tell you what you want to hear because that's the truth. But again, you have to make your own due diligence. You have to make your own inquiry. Cash effects is speaking loud volumes out there. So many people in the world are benefiting from this. So why don't we want you to come in and benefit from this platform? It's this easy. To join Cash effects, the minimum package in Cash effects is $300. That is the minimum. And if you go for the minimum, that's how you have the minimum profit per day. With Cash effects, we have profit per day. And it depends on, like I said before, the market is a $6 trillion US dollar market. And this proprietary software in the Cash effects are used to trade for you every day. So depending on the profit of that day, it's being shared to everybody. Those who come in with $100,000 US dollars, those who come in with $300 US dollars, have the same profit. So if it's 1% profit for one day, it's for everybody. It's got that with $300 package and $100 package. So it's the same thing all through the packages. So, like I said, the minimum is $300 package, the maximum is $100,000 package. So you can always come in where you feel or where you think it's okay and capable. So I want the better. I don't know if you can hear me. You can put a link like Access from home to the screen. Those who want to like just know more, you can just read from there. Or you can also go to the website and read from there. The truth is that for you to actually know how it's happening, how it's working, contact any one of us, contact the Rita, myself, and we'll tell you more about how you have to go with different.
Okay, I think we're almost about to done today. It's almost 1 hour, so let's give us let's give us last word. Let's give us last word. So Rita, what do you have to say to the viewers?
Well, I would like to say it's never easy to take that decision or that step, but everyone who knows about life know that life is all about risk taking, no pain, no gain. So always listen to opportunities, try to do your findings, and if your mind tells you to take the risks, don't forget to do it. And while you're doing that, remember that there are a lot of scams out there, and there is no business that has no risk. So try to grab the opportunity and move with the involvement of the world. As the world is evolving, try to move along with it. And don't be scared actually to take that risk. It's actually a bold step.
Yalla?
Yeah. So what I want to advise people with this, like Rita said, the opportunities are there. They're enormous. There are so many. Look at the success story. So, like I'm talking now in perspective to cash flow. Check the success stories, man. You'll be overwhelmed. Some people say it's some kind of Photoshop video. It's some kind of Jesus Christ. When you see Photoshop video, you know it's a Photoshop video. When you see reality, you know it's reality. Look it out for yourself, and you'll be overwhelmed. The thing is that information is free. Everybody can get information for free. It's what you do with the information that matters. The last thing I want to say is that everybody has to know trading in the Forex market is risky. And no past results can always guarantee the future, can always guarantee the same results in the future. So never you come in hoping that you will make 100,000 in 1 day, and if you lose the 100,000 in 1 day, it's a possibility. That is the Forex market we're talking about. That's why it's $6 trillion traded for 1 day. So you should always know where you put your money, the kind of people you invest with, the kind of community that you want to belong to. Was he saying that show me your friends and I'll tell you the mindset of people that you hang around is going to determine what you actually want to do, determine what you actually want to do with your future. If you stay beside comedians all the time, it means you like jokes. You stay beside business people, you like their company, you're looking forward, you're scrapping from the mindset, you're going to be like a business. So always choose where you belong. This is January, it's only the 7th day of January, I think, if not the 7th of January. So yeah. You still have enough time to plan how you want this year to be. Thank you so much.
Thanks
Just
so much.
thinking of investing 100 today and maybe losing it tomorrow. You know, it's just like having a shop and maybe you want to go to the market the next day and the shop is on fire. So it's like that. Every business, they have their own risk. But it will not stop you from maybe trying to open another shop because you're good in business and you believe in it.
Yeah. Okay, thanks Samuel for joining us. I'm gonna take you out of this live broadcast now. So
yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Rita.
Thank you, Samuel.
Yeah. Wow, only now us. So actually, I'm so warm, having this program here today. Hearing like the encouragement you guys have given to the viewers and also your experience you have shared here with the viewers. It's awesome, and I just wish everyone who is watching right now, what we have learned today is the fact that we can take the risk to get into the forex market, and the forex market is a market where everyone at one point has been part of. When you do exchange of fiat currency, when you send euros to Africa, someone must be there to have their currency to exchange, with the currency you are sending to that country, and you are paying this fee or you are participating in this market without knowing. And right now we are sharing this opportunity with for you to understand that you can actually benefit from the profits that brokers or retail traders, banks, hedge funds can also partake in this profit, daily profit, Monday to Friday, 24 hours, and the market is a about 5.6 or almost $6 trillion market every day, Mondays to Fridays. I mean, imagine, guys, this is um five like the largest financial market in the world, forex market. Bitcoin recently turned $1 trillion market today. I think it was yesterday when Bitcoin got to almost 39,000 K. Guys, these are opportunities. When you hear $5 trillion, doesn't mean someone is gonna have that money every day. It means the money is in circulation every day, is available for everyone to get something out of it. So if you come into the market and you get the information about it, information is not going to scam you. Information will help you to identify new opportunities for yourself to invest in and make money for yourself. Um, there are people who are out there, as Rita mentioned, who want to scam you or look for information about the foreign exchange market or like Forex and so on. So what you have to understand is the fact that these people are out there to make extra income or to make passive income, like you who wanted to invest in the platform. And most of them are not usually scam. It's just that most of them don't manage the finances that you give them or the investment you give them properly. So at one point you might mismanage your investment and you lose your capital, and when you lose your capital, you're out of the market. Someone is always making money, whether you buy or you sell, someone is making money. And you coming into this market, you partnering with or give more information, you can reach out to them, they'll inform you, educate you, and then with you can put your number here. If someone contact you, to join the like want to talk to you about just get to know more about the forest, so you can put your number here so that they can reach out to you. And there are links there on the chat section, guys. Check out those links, success story. Check out the videos there. You will get more information about this platform. Not everyone can trade in the forex market, but not everyone has access to trade in the forex market. For you to trade in the forex market, you need to join a broker platform or partner with a broker to have that access to the market. So this platform that we're talking about is like a middleman between you and the market. They give you trade profits every day, and also you have opportunity to learn forex on your own every now and then. When you have time. Rita, thanks so much for being here today, and have a nice evening.
Thank you too very much. It was a great moment, and thanks to everyone who has been listening or watching. And I wish you all a wonderful time.
Yeah, all the best,
Until next
everyone.
time, I wish you the best.
You too. And let's go kill someone. Let's go kill in the Bitcoin wallet and
And I'm
cash out.
thinking of stocks.
Yeah,
Stocks.
thinking of talk about the
Yes,
solar.
I don't need to limit myself. Everything
Yeah,
online. I need
yeah,
to dig.
yeah. Because if you don't invest the money, you spend the money anyway. Right?
Sure.
Either you invest it or you spend it. And
Yes.
at times when you spend it, you don't get any return. But when you invest it, you like of course you get return every now and then. Yeah, guys, if you want to talk, yeah, we're gonna talk we have lot of information to share with you guys. And later, I think we're gonna come here again, maybe this week, or maybe Monday or Tuesday. We're gonna announce it, and Rita is gonna be your host next for the next time. Yes. Oh,
What an announcement.
yeah. What an announcement. Anyway, guys, bye bye and take care of yourself.
Bye.
The world is changing so fast. And in a little over 3 minutes, I'm going to share with you how you can use our changing world to save money and make money easily. Look at what has happened in a few short years on how we buy our products and services. It all started with companies like Amazon that convinced us we could buy products online and it would be easy, safe, and less time consuming than going to the retail stores. Next thing you know, the brick and mortar retail stores are closing and shopping malls are closing. And then came the gig economy using apps like Uber, Angie's List, and others to use a service or even be the service as a side gig to make money. 40% of all Americans today are now working a side gig, and the number is expected to explode in 2020. So what is the next major paradigm shift that changes the world we live in? Well, it just landed in your lap in a new company and a new marketing concept called Life Trends, a major evolution in the gig economy built around travel and lifestyle. The whole world travels, and we all love to take vacations. And while companies like Expedia and Priceline provide a great online service, you are still paying retail. At Life Trends, you can go to our online hotel and resort booking engine and pay true wholesale for the first time. It easily saves you thousands of dollars annually on all your vacations and travel. And to prove it, we will give you or anyone a $1,000 savings card for free. And that's just the beginning of an amazing side gig that you can do from your home that can create a life-changing income. And because this is so different and so easy, it really can happen. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you make money when you mention or share Amazon with other people? Of course not. But imagine the income you would make if your referrals to Amazon, and then their referrals, and their referrals, and on, made you money when all those people shopped. It would make you rich, and I bet you would be sharing Amazon every day. At Life Trends, that is exactly what is happening. Imagine a gig that all you do is send someone the app or to the website, and when they travel at huge discounts, you get paid commissions for life. Imagine when they share the app with family and friends and others, you get paid commissions when they travel. Imagine those people sharing the app and you get paid commissions. And then they share it, you get paid commissions. And this continues through 10 tiers of referrals. That's right, 10 tiers of referrals. Every person you send the app to is incentivized to do the same. It's easy, it duplicates, and you make more and more money as the base of people grows and grows. And you can share the app with hundreds of people, not just 5 as shown in this example. There are no limits on your income. I know it sounds too good to be true and too easy. There must be a catch, and there is. The catch is the 20 minutes that you take of your time to study and make the right decision from the options on the Make Your Choice button below. That's it. Please choose wisely, as I personally believe our e-gig referral system offers a life-changing income for anyone that engages.